Hey, Adam D here with AEvent. And I want to just introduce a feature that we've added into our, for the integrations, email integrations like MailJet, MailGrid, MailGun, SendGrid. And it's to collect open rates on those emails that you send from the platform. So let's go over into and dive in, and I'll show you where you can click on them to start gathering them, and then I'll show you once the event's over where you can go find them and see what the open rate was. So let's go. Okay, so what we're going to do is come over to your timelines. This one we're going to use MailJet. So let's click on MailJet. We'll open it up. And where you can find this option is if you go to integrations, and then we want to get MailJet attached. So it's right here. You want to toggle this on here, and then you click on this toggle wheel here. So what you have here is this collect engagement metrics, and you want to click on that. And then once you have your email all edited and this collected, it's going to tell you the open rate. So it'll tell you how many people have opened up over on the analytics side once the events are done. You can do that here with the on registration. And then as well as we go over into timeline, we want to create an action here using MailJet. And it's right here as well. You want to click on that box. And then once you have it all set up, the email all built out, and then you can go and create what it does. If you're not familiar with it, it's your own email. So you don't have to go into the MailJet. You can do it all right from here. So you can collect the metrics. All right. So here on your schedule, what you want to do is click over onto, you can do analytics, and then you're going to want to find your particular event. The other way you can go and find it is over here. You can click on your past, and then you'll see the list of all your past events if you want to just find it that way. And then over here, you have a little chart right here, and that is your analytics. So you can click on that. And as this opens up, you'll have your event analytics, and then right underneath here, click that toggle, and that's going to show you, in this particular one, we use MailGun, and that's going to show you how many emails are open and how many emails were sent. That's where you will find the engagement metrics when you turn those on your campaigns. So that is how you find those metrics right here within AEvent. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Click on subscribe. Make sure you get that bell lit up as well so you're notified every time we bring up some new content, new features, anything like this one, so you are aware and on top of your webinar game. Thank you very much and have a great day.